Hello, welcome to ATG 4950 Project Management and Senior Design 2. This course will be a continuation to the work that you did in Senior Design 1. You will continue working with the same group. You need to start communicating with your group as soon as possible to get a head start on the course material and course requirements. Group project will involve project planning, development, and evaluation of the real-life problem. The course will also include alternatives, evaluation and solution, selecting the proper solution, testing and implementing in the form of a new product. Students will be required to finalize the bill of materials, select suppliers, and estimate mass production costs. In addition, students will be identifying federal and state regulations for the design product. The course will end with closing the project and delivering the final prototype and all related documents. My name is Professor Yusuf and I will be your instructor for this course. So please feel free to contact me via email, face-to-face, virtual office hours using Skype or through phone. Please take the time to view and read and understand all provided material. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus and the posted material. My office hours are posted under the Announcements tab through the online learning system and in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created a link within the welcome announcement. Click here to start, which will take you to the welcome lecture and the course material. There will be no textbook required for this course, but you can use the Effective Project Management by Robert Wysocki for reference, or whatever material you are using or you used in Senior Design 1. You can also use the Certified Quality Inspector Handbook and Operations Management book as a reference or additional references to assist you with understanding the course material and with the material that will be going over through the semester. Those references are available in the school library and or in public library if you can get them. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your homepage will display the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with the course organization. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every day to stay current with course requirements and changes. For easy access to all course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and supplemental material, have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. So you don't have to worry about navigating. Everything is listed under course content. The modules will be released on a weekly basis as the semester progresses. You need to access your online courses daily to check for the latest updates and due dates. The syllabus quiz should be completed during the first week, and the syllabus quiz is a way to verify your attendance for the first week and your participation. Failing to complete the quiz could lead to purging you from the course, and you will not be able to view other course material. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion, which should be due by Sunday of each week. Make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the week and respond to at least one of your peers by the end of that week. The first week will not include a discussion since it's just the course information, and as I said, we are using the syllabus quiz to verify your attendance. The discussion postings will begin from week 2. The weekly discussion is to answer the questions posted and reply to at least one of your classmates' posts. before the end of the submission period. The questions should be answered after reviewing the course material. When you submit your or post your discussion, make sure to use the template that was used in the discussion or under announcement or in the syllabus, which is questions and answers. So copy the questions and answer them in your post. As stated before, it is required to complete this weekly discussion. Actually, you will not be able to view next module material until you complete this activity. Use the provided channels to communicate with the instructor. You can email, call, Skype, or come in person during office hours. The more communication you have with the instructor, the better understanding of the course material. Email messages should have the subject as the name of the course and the problem you have. Use professional language and professional words when writing your email. Virtual office hours are posted online. You can use Skype to communicate with me during those hours. Skype is a free software that can be added through Windows as an application. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create an account and add the instructor to your contact list. With Skype, you can share documents and or computer screens and ask questions as needed. Assignment submission should be through Falcon Online. Don't email me any assignments unless you've been told so. Late assignments will not be accepted. Use the following format for assignment name submission. The assignment, which is A, with the assignment number, underscore 4950 underscore your last name. Points will be deducted if you don't use this format. Add your name and email address at the top of each page in your assignment submission. All assignments should be submitted in Microsoft Word or PDF format unless instructed otherwise. As I stated at the beginning of the course, project will be a continuation of the project that you started with your group in Senior Design 1. The group should finalize their product and start testing for functionality, usability, reliability, durability, and many other characteristics for that product. Over the progress of the course, your group need to identify product suppliers and calculate mass production cost. The group need to identify the rules and regulations that your product should adhere to. The group will finish by creating product documentation, including marketing materials such as brochure, posters, and websites. Group discussions area will be created under the same group number to allow for file sharing and meetings, online meetings if you'd like. The group assignments should be in Microsoft Word format or PDF format unless being instructed differently. The group assignment naming format should be the PA with the assignment number underscore 4950 underscore last name, and points will be deducted if you did not follow the format. The project report should be submitted with the proper grammar and correct spelling. We have resources in the college to assist you in the writing process. You are writing a report for the project, so the writing has to be professional and to be correct. So you can utilize the resources that's available for you in the college to write your report. Each member should submit their own copy. Each member of the team should submit their own copy. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and a final. Both exams will have true, false, and multiple choice questions. The final will include all chapters within the course material. You will not be able to start your final until you finish your peer review first. So first you have to evaluate your peers, and then you can start the final. It's very important to work and submit all course activities. Having high grades in the exams does not mean you're going to pass the course. All activities are designed to complement each other and to assist in the learning process. If you have questions about the grades, email it to me and I will be more than glad to answer your questions. The goal of this course is to provide students with an understanding of the development and execution processes, including supply chain management and product rules and regulations. In addition, students will understand the importance of conducting testing and evaluation for the final product. By the end of the semester, you should be able to identify product tolerance, durability, functionality, reliability through non-destructive testing methods. You should be able to identify product components through the bill of material and listing the components. You should be able to develop procurement process through the supplier selection procedure considering global related issues. You are not buying from domestic suppliers only, you can buy from suppliers around the world, and you should consider the global issues that will be related with that. You will be able to interpret federal, state, and organizational rules and policies that will be related to your product. You should be able to plan for quality and continuous improvement over time to stay competitive in the market. The course material will include lectures about survey design and analysis, so you can collect the requirements and feedback from the customers about the product. You can show them the product. Now remember that the product was not there in the first semester, so now you have the opportunity to show them the product and let them use it and provide the feedback that will assist you in the design and analysis. That will assist you. We'll go back to product development, so we'll go back over the material that we did in the first semester to understand how we did it before and then redesign it and finalize it, and that will give me the ability to plan for the capacity and constraints that will be needed to do mass production. And then the supply chain management, where we select our suppliers and we'll have supplier criteria selection and do the mass production evaluation. The product testing will be at the beginning, so most likely we are going to move the testing and evaluation after you finish the survey design and analysis, so you can do the testing, fully testing before you do the bill of material, finalizing the components and selecting your suppliers and doing the mass production cost. Then also you need to address the ethics and environmental issues that will be associated with your product. You need to do market analysis, how to develop competitive advantage in the market and penetrate the market using your niche and different or differentiation strategy to be able to compete in the market. Marketing material design and development will be at the end, and then you will develop the different manuals like assembly manual or user manual that can be used, and the final report that will be delivered to the customer, in addition to the final prototype that will be presented at the end of the semester. For the software, we are going to continue using the same copy of the software that we downloaded last semester. So if you used Visio or Microsoft Project, continue using that as tools and techniques to assist you in project management and in organizing your thoughts, your plans, and getting things done in time at the end of the semester. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please feel free to email, call, Skype, or come to my office during office hours. Thank you and have a great day.